Why are you running away from me, huh, Kimmy? I want treats now. Give me some treats, Kimmy. I want treats! Give me treats! Stop running away from me! Stop, Kimmy! You're making me mad! I'm hangry! Stop it! I want treats! Oh, I'm sorry, Kimmy. Did I hurt you? What happened to your eye? I didn't mean to hit you that hard. I'm sorry. Please don't tell Human. I still want my treats, though. Where you going, huh? Give me treats. Now! Num, 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 num. See, that wasn't that hard, was it? Now, give me another one. Come on. That's right. Come on, more. I got you cornered, Kimmy. What you gonna do now, huh? Quiet, Kimmy. Turn that off. It's annoying.
Hey, what's going on here?
Nothing. You better not say anything, Kimmy.
Please help me. I've been abused by a hippo.